Hey TechKnowStuds, and when I say studs, I mean both students, and you are awesome. Thanks for joining me in these videos. In this next module, we're going to talk about Hot Standby Router Protocol, or HSRP. What HSRP is it allows us to create some redundancy with our default gateways. So within a network, we want to create some high availability, which means that we have to expect that sometimes equipment is going to fail. From a layer 3 perspective, we could use routing protocols just to reroute the traffic, but we don't have that luxury when it comes to our default gateways. A routing protocol is not going to change that layer 2 network, so it points to another default gateway. So what we need to do is we need to incorporate some sort of protocols like HSRP. So let's get into HSRP and how it can create redundancy on our network. In this module, we're going to be getting into Hot Standby Router Protocol. But before we do that, I want to talk about high availability and how we incorporate high availability into our networks. Then we're going to get into First Hop Redundancy Protocol, or FHRP. Then we'll get into Hot Standby Router Protocol, or HSRP. Then we'll finish this off by talking about or showing you some commands with a demo. Really, when it comes to HSRP, you're not going to be tested heavily on the CCNA exam. You could see exam questions around HSRP, but they're just not going to be very extensive. So we're going to cover HSRP and what you need to know for your CCNA exam.